Hi friends, welcome to Vcreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you can get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about how to add items to our C# list. So in my previous video I just explained what is list in C# as well as what is the namespace I need to use and how to create a list in C#. But in this video I just want to explain you that how to add items into our C# list. So here I'm just explaining with two examples. In my first example, I just created a list of int, which is the number list, and in the parenthesis you can see here I don't have any value, which means I can add any number of items into that list. So here I'm just adding 3 items into my list, but I can add more as well. But in my next example, in this example I just took list of string, so which means I need to pass string and I can't pass any other type of value like int, double, everything, and whose length is 2, means I just pass the parameter value as 2, means I need to add 2 items into that list like this. So here I just added numberList.Add Jim, numberList.Add Chris, but I can add more, but during the compile time it will not throw any type of error or exceptions, but at the runtime it will throw error or exceptions. So we should not add any more items into this list. And also I will explain the same example in my Visual Studio as well. So here I just added the system.collection.generic namespace. So compulsory I need to add this namespace, and here I am just creating a list of type int. So right now I'm just adding values into it. Like here you can see, here it is expecting a int value, but if I'll pass a string value or any other type of value, it will throw errors, because already we declared a list whose type is int. So, and due to that reason it is expecting a int value. So here I will just add a 10. So right now I just added 3 values in my number list, but I can add as many as number of values into it, so it will not throw any type of error or exceptions. But let's say I just add here 2, which means I need to add only two items into my list. But if I add a third item, but during the compile time it will not throw any kind of error or exceptions, but during the runtime it will just throw error or exceptions, because we are accessing the list of int or the list with our index values, and here we declare the length of list is 2, which means its index will start from 0 and it will end on 1 index. But right now, as we added 3 items into our list, so during the third item it will just throw a error, and due to that reason we should not add third item into our list. And here in this video I just explained how to add items into our list, but in our upcoming videos I will explain more and more detail about the list, and also I will explain how to display items from our list. Thank you.